Hello everyone, welcome back to Pabbly. The title of our today's video is how to send WhatsApp message to summer camp Facebook leads. So I have recently started a summer camp, and to promote my camp I'm using Facebook lead ads, and I wish that as soon as a new lead is received in my Facebook lead ads, automatically an automated WhatsApp message should be sent to all my leads. For this we are going to create a connection between Facebook lead ads and WhatsApp. To create this connection without knowing any programming or coding language, we are going to use Pabbly Connect. It is an amazing automation software. So in Pabbly, we have the concept of trigger and action. For trigger, we are going to use Facebook lead ads, and for action, we are using WhatsApp. So if you also wish to learn this process step by step, follow me through the screen. Welcome to my screen. So as you know, in this video, we are going to learn how to send WhatsApp message to your summer camp Facebook leads. So I have started a summer camp named Summer Smiles, and to promote my camp I'm running Facebook lead ads, and I wish that as soon as I receive a new lead, an automated WhatsApp message should be sent to that lead so that I don't lose a connection of my lead. For this, we are going to create a connection between Facebook lead ads and WhatsApp. To create this connection, I have already opened the landing page of Pabbly simply by searching pabbly.com/connect in my browser. It is very easy. So as soon as you'll open the landing page of Pabbly, you are going to get two options. One is sign in and the another one is sign up for free. So if you are a new user, you can click on sign up for free and you are going to get 100 of tasks free every month. But I'm an existing user, so I'm going to click on sign in. And now it is opening all Pabbly apps. Over here you can see all the tools and applications offered by Pabbly. But in today's video we are going to use Pabbly Connect because we are connecting two applications. So I'm going to click on access now. And now it is opening my dashboard, and to start with the automation, we are going to click on this button right over here which says create workflow. And now it is asking me the workflow name and the folder I want to save the workflow in. So I want to save the workflow in this folder which says Facebook lead ads to WhatsApp automation, and I want to name my workflow as send WhatsApp message to summer camp Facebook leads, and then we are going to click on create. And now it is opening the most important window of our automation, that is our workflow window. This is the most important window because we have trigger and action in this. Trigger means when this happens and action means do this. By this you can understand that the trigger is the commander for the workflow and actions follow the commands. And as you know that we can have only a single commander but multiple followers. So over here we can have only a single trigger but multiple actions following the commands of our trigger. So now we are going to select our trigger application, which is Facebook lead ads, because I want that as soon as a new lead is received, automatically my workflow should be triggered. So I'm going to search for Facebook lead ads and select it. For the trigger event, we are going to select new lead instant, and then we are going to click on connect. And now it is asking me to add a new connection or select the existing connection. So if you have already connected your Facebook lead ads account, you can click on select existing connection and then save. But if you haven't connected, you have to follow me, click on add a new connection and then connect with Facebook lead ads. And then we have to select our account and click on continue. As soon as you are going to click on continue, you can see that you have successfully connected your Facebook lead ads to your Pabbly's workflow. And now it is asking me the page name and the lead gen form. So as you know, the name of my page is Summer Smiles. So I'm going to select Summer Smiles right over here. And then for the lead gen form, I'm going to select lead ads form. And then we are going to click on save and send test request. And now you can see that it is saying waiting for a webhook response, and in the notes it is saying do a test submission /record. So we are going to do a test submission. To do this, we are going to open a new tab and search for Meta for Developers. Open Meta for Developers. And now we have opened the landing page of Meta for Developers. From here we are going to go on more and then tools. And then we are going to scroll and select lead ads RTO debug tool. And now it is opening my lead ads testing tool. From here we are going to do the test submission. So for the page we are going to select it as Summer Smiles, and for the form as lead ads form, and then we are going to click on preview form. And now it is asking me for some details. So we are going to fill in the details, the first name as demo, last name as user, email as demo@pabblytunes.com, the phone number as this. And now after filling in all the details, I'm going to click on continue and then submit. And yes, you can see your test lead has been sent. This means that lead ads testing tool has sent the details of our lead to our workflow. So we are going to open our workflow and check that if Pabbly has captured the response or not. And yes, you can see that Pabbly has captured the response. Over here is the first name, the last name, the same email and the same phone number that we entered. So this means that my trigger step is successful, and now we are moving on to our action step. For our action application, we are going to select WhatsApp Cloud API because I want that as soon as a new Facebook lead is received, an automated WhatsApp message should be sent to that lead. So I'm going to search for WhatsApp Cloud API and select it. And now for the action event, we are going to select send template message. And again, we are going to click on this connect button right over here. And again, it is asking me to add a new connection and select the existing connection. So if you have already connected your WhatsApp Cloud API account with your Pabbly's workflow, you can click on select existing connection and then save. But if you haven't, again, you have to follow me. Click on add a new connection and then it will ask you for the token, the phone number ID and the WhatsApp business account ID. So to get this, you have to create an API setup. And if you wish to learn how to create an API setup, you can check out our YouTube channel. So as you can see that I've already created my API setup. So over here, you can see the temporary access token, the phone number ID and the WhatsApp business account ID. So I'm just going to copy all these and paste it in my workflow. But as you can see that this token will expire in 23 hours because this is a temporary access token. So if you wish to generate a permanent access token, you can visit us at forum. So I'm going to copy these details and paste it in my workflow. And now after pasting all the details, we are going to click on save. And as soon as we are going to click on save, you can see that we have successfully connected our WhatsApp Cloud API account with our Pabbly's workflow. And now it is asking me the template name. So to let you know what this template name means, we are again going to open our API setup. And over here, you can see to create your own message template, click here. So we are going to click on this hyperlink right over here. And over here, you can see all the templates that I've created. So if you wish to create a new template, you can click on create template right over here and create your own. But I'm going to select one from this only, which is WhatsApp lead message. So I'm going to select WhatsApp lead message right over here. And now you can see that as soon as I selected the template name, Pabbly will detect the language code and the template ID. So we don't have to change this. We'll directly move on to the recipient mobile number. So we are going to map this. Mapping is a method by Pabbly, which means inserting the data from the previous step. And as you know, our previous step was the trigger step, where we selected Facebook lead ads as our trigger application. So we are going to map the details from the response of our trigger application only. So as soon as I'm going to map all these details, automatically my details will turn dynamic and change with every new lead received. And also my workflow would be ready to run in real time. So that's why we are going to map these details. We are going to open our response and search for phone number. And over here you can see the phone number. So I'm going to map this. And now it is asking me for the header image URL. So for this, we are going to open our template. And over here, you can see that I have entered an image URL for the header right over here. So we are going to enter the same image, or if you wish, any another image over here in our workflow too. So we are going to paste the link of the image URL. And now after pasting the header image URL, we are going to move on to the body field 1 example demo user. So what does this mean? Over here, you can see that this is my template, and also you can see one in curly brackets. So this one is a variable right over here, and this will change with every new lead received. So I wish that this one should be changed with the name of my lead so that all of my leads receive a more personalized message. So we are going to map the name of my lead over here in body field 1. So I'm going to open my response and search for name. And over here, you can see the first name and the last name. So first we are going to map the first name and put a space and then map the last name. And yes, you can see that I've completed my mapping. And now we are going to click on save and send test request. But before clicking on that, I'll just replace the dummy phone number with my original phone number so that I can show you the message and the response received. And now I have changed the number, and now I'm going to click on save and send test request. And yes, you can see that we have received the positive response which says message status accepted. This means that our workflow is successful and Pabbly has sent the lead a WhatsApp message. So we are going to open our WhatsApp and check that if we have received a new message or not. And yes, you can see that we have received the WhatsApp message with the name of our lead, which is Hey Demo User. This is Summer Smiles. We just saw you were interested in learning more about our program on Facebook. So yes, we are successful with our workflow, but I'll just test the workflow once, and this time I'm going to give you a real-time example. So to do this, I'm going to open my lead ads testing tool, delete the previous lead and refresh the page. It is really important to delete the previous lead and refresh the page. Otherwise, you'll not be able to preview the form or create a new lead. So again, we are going to do a test submission. So for the page, we are going to select it as Summer Smiles. And for the form, we are going to select it as Lead Ads Form. And then we are going to again click on preview form. And again, we are going to enter the details. The first name as test, the last name as user, the email as test@pabblytuts.com, the phone number as this. And after entering all these details, I'm going to click on continue and then submit. And yes, you can see your test lead has been sent. This means that lead ads testing tool has sent the details of our lead to our workflow. Pabbly captured the response, triggered the workflow, and further sent an WhatsApp message to our lead. So we are going to open our WhatsApp and check that if we have received the WhatsApp message or not. This time we are not going back to our workflow and clicking on save and send test request. We'll directly open our WhatsApp and check that if we have received the message or not. And yes, you can see that we have received a new message with the new name, which is test user. So this means that my workflow is successful, and I'll just summarize the workflow for you once. For our trigger application, we selected Facebook lead ads, and then for the trigger event, we selected new lead instant because we wanted that as soon as a new lead is submitted, instantly Pabbly should trigger the workflow. And then for the action application, we selected WhatsApp Cloud API, and then for the action event, we selected send template message because I wanted that as soon as a new Facebook lead ad is received, automatically a WhatsApp message should be sent to that lead so that we don't lose a connection of our lead. So as you can see that I've sent 2 WhatsApp messages during this video. So if you have any questions related to the video or the workflow, you can directly comment on this video, and for your reference, I'll just clone the workflow and share the workflow link in the description box. Thank you for watching. Not only these applications, but with the help of Pabbly, you can integrate many more applications. So now, if you have any doubts, you can reach us at support@pabbly.com. If you have any queries, you can reach us at forum.pabbly.com. And if you have any pricing related issues, you can follow this website. And if you find our videos helpful, do like and subscribe our channel. Thank you for watching.